Today I'm doing a silver metallic eye with these 4 shades. Eye Glittery Can't for the lid, Stonehenge for the crease, Taupe Priority for the corner, and Denim and Diamonds for the smoke. Now with Eye Glittery Can't, there is a ton of color payoff. So do a nice little tap like I just did, and just be very, very light on how much you put on your brush. And I kind of put a little bit and then use the other side of the brush to blend it because it is packed full of pigment. You also have to trust the process because while you're doing this, it is going to look very scary, but keep going. I assure you when it's done, it's going to be the most beautiful eye you've ever seen. Then I use Stonehenge in the crease. It's a really nice cool tone gray brown, works really great with these type steel, blue, and silver colors to enhance the crease of the eye so it looks less hooded. Then I use Taupe Priority just on the outer 1/3 of my eyelid to add closure without going too dark. See, trusting the process, I'm already looking better. Going in now with my eyeliner to add a frame. Keeping it really close to the lash line. I'm not trying to go in with a smoky eye. I just want definition so I don't look like a hairless cat. For this look, I used very little eyeliner on top, mostly tight line. Now I'm going in with our silvery steel navy blue, tapping off the excess from Denim and Diamonds and using this right up against my pitch black to give a nice smoke diffused look. See the difference after I've applied that? Just looks a little bit softer and more airbrushed. Going in now with the cleanup, picking up any drop off and sharpening up the edge of the shadow up towards the end of my eyebrow. Once you give it a good cleanup, curl your lashes and add mascara. And there you have it with mascara, but for something a little extra fun, you can go in with the Eye Glittery Can't and put it right here on the lower lash line just to add a little bit of a metallic frost to open up the eyes. I love doing this with this color. There you go, that's the metallic silver eye.